Hey guys, welcome to My Sew Bliss. Today I'm excited to be sharing with you 4 different bag patterns that are perfect for beginners. If you want to start making bags, sewing your own bags, these are going to be 4 wonderful patterns or tutorials that are really going to help you get started so that you can slowly work your way up to something a little more advanced and more technically difficult. So I'm excited to share those with you today. A few of them are free patterns and a few of them are patterns that I've tried from friends that I just have loved and keep making over and over again. So I know you guys will love them as well. And then I do have a couple bonus bags if you've started sewing bags and you kind of want to take that next step. I have a couple suggestions for you on how to and where to go with that. So let's get started. I'm going to show you first those 2 free patterns that I mentioned. These are tutorials that I have done in the past. One is for this little triangle pouch. It's a small little pouch. It just unzips and opens up, and I always store sewing supplies in it. Right now I have buttons and measuring tape, just kind of random things that needed a place to stay. I have those, and it has, like I said, this zipper. I made this out of some canvas rifle paper company fabric, and then it has a little tab on it. So this one, like I said, is a tutorial that I made with a free pattern, and I'll put a link down below for all of these things. So number 1 will be this zipper pouch. I'm going to call it the triangle zipper pouch because a lot of these are zipper pouches. But don't let that scare you away. If you haven't sewn zippers, they're really easy to put in bags, and I feel like the tutorials for all of these and instructions for all of these are really great for bag making. The next one is this Boxy Pouch one. This is another free tutorial that I did, so we can sew it together. It's a really fun bag, super cute, good size. Again, I like to store sewing supplies, all the little things in here. And I just like how it has this little handle on it, and I show you in the tutorial exactly how to make this, and I think I even give you sizing and how to cut everything out. So that's a really helpful one. But these are just 2 really awesome just to get started. If you want a free pattern, a free tutorial, how to get started making bags, this gives you a little eye into that. A little peek, if you will. And then we can get into some patterns that I've gotten and purchased myself. This one I just purchased and just made these 2, and I can see I've noticed a lot of people really love this pattern, and I can see why, because it's really great. It has 3 different sizes. This one's called the Holland Pouch. She even has a Holland Duffle bag, so it's a big version with zippers and a front zipper pocket. It's really cute. So I think this is a really great way to introduce yourself to bag making. It's a really great size. Like I said, there's 3 sizes. This is the smaller size, and then this is the largest size. So there's even another one that goes in the middle. And yeah, the structure of it, the body of it, the shape of it, it's very similar to this free one, but as you can tell, this one's kind of worth the pattern and paying the money to get it, because it just has a few more features on it that my free tutorial does not have. So this one has a strap on either side. This I did add a decorative zipper, so it's a little different. This one I didn't, so this is all done exactly how the tutorial says. And then you can just open it up, and cute lining. Everything's done with binding on the inside, and so there's no raw edges, and it just looks really nice. So I really liked this pattern. The instructions were very clear. There were pictures to follow, so I highly recommend this one as well if you're looking for a good zipper bag in different sizes. I really like that. And then the next one that is a really awesome bag. This would be number 4. We're going through these quick, but number 4 of awesome bags to make as a beginner is this tote bag. And this doesn't have any zippers, so it's even if the zippers make you hesitant, this might even be a better place to start. And if you're a quilter at all, it has a lot of quilting techniques in the binding of the raw edges, in the way the pockets are put on, so that kind of thing. And then this is quilted fabric. So I have this quilted from a long armor. Actually, the lady that makes this pattern, she does long arm quilting as well. So I got it done by her. And yeah, it's just, you can make your own handles or you can use the decorative webbing. I'd use decorative webbing on this one. This is one I recently, I'm still finishing, but I just need to do the binding on the back of it still. But you can see I then did the decorative, not the decorative handles. I did fabric handles, which is another option. She gives you in the instructions, she shows you and tells you how to do that and like what the differences are. And then yeah, you just are binding a lot of things. And then on the inside, it's just like this open tote, and it's so nice. I have been carrying this one around whenever I go sewing other places. I can just throw everything in here. Like, it's kind of become my snack bag whenever I go anywhere, but it's perfect. It's like the best size. And this comes in 3 sizes as well. This is the medium size. So there's one that's even larger than this, so I need to make that. And there's one that's even smaller than this. I just really liked the medium size. This one I'm giving away at a family auction. So I'm excited to see what people think of it. It'll be fun. But these, yeah, I just love this bag. It's called the All the Things Tote. And it really is, it's like perfect for all the things that you would carry and need for all the things. Like, I want to make my kids one, so when we go on road trips, maybe make the smaller version so that when we go on road trips they can put toys in there, or their switches can go in, like all their stuff can just go in there and then sit next to their seat. Doesn't that sound nice? Like, I think that would be great. So that might be my next All the Things totes that I need to make, are the small size for my kids. So like I said, these are the medium sizes, and I just really love them. They're pretty simple and straightforward, especially for beginners, and I highly recommend any of Knot and Threads tutorials. You'll see some of my other bags. The bonus bags are from her as well, because I just love her tutorials. She has great ones, she has great ideas, and she's very thorough in the patterns and instructions that she makes. So those are the 4 bags that I would recommend starting out with if you are interested in making bags. Here's our free bags, and then these ones. I feel like the ones that the ones that aren't free, the ones that you have to pay for the pattern, you just pay for the pattern, are a little like higher end. The quality is just nicer, and that's what you're paying for, is a tutorial to help you, or instructions to help you make it high-end looking, give like the body and structure of it, and just make it look so nice. And it really does, and I just love those patterns. So those are the 4, like I said, and then I have 2 other bonus ones. If you're ready to take that next step, if you've done stuff like this and you're ready to say like, okay, I want to try something else. Another thing that I would try is this is the Hello Pouch from Knot and Thread Design, and I have thread in it right now. But working with vinyl is, I think, the next step you would take in adding to bags and making bags. It's not as bad as, it might make you nervous, but it's not that bad, I promise. It's like if you use a walking foot or just look up some tips on how to sew with vinyl, it's very easy. And it just adds that really nice touch. And I've seen some like colorful vinyl or like printed on vinyl that's really cute, and so now I want to get that and make those bags. So there's so many options, and it's so much fun. That's the thing I love about bags. They're quick and they're easy. These are all easy, and then you can just like add your own flair and spice them up and have them done like that. So this, like I said, is the Hello Pouch, and I just love that. Yeah, it's a vinyl mixed with these. This comes, I believe it's 3 sizes as well. So those are really nice when they have like the multi sizes. The other bonus one, so this is like bag number 6, is one of my favorite things I've made, and I'm already wanting to make another one, is this duffel bag. This is a Patchwork Duffle is what the pattern's called. I just made it with like a big piece of fabric. I didn't make it like a patchwork, so I want to go back and make another one that is patchwork, but I just love it. The only reason I'm putting this as like a bonus and not an easy one is because of how big it is. It might seem like a little more overwhelming and harder to like maneuver with your machine, but if you're not afraid of like how much fabric you're working with and the size of it, I'd say this is even perfect for beginners as well, because it's very similar to the All Things Tote. It just has like the zipper on the top and then handles on the sides. This is obviously like the decorative webbing that I used, but yeah, it's just so cute. And then it has like these side pockets. So this is a very, very good beginner big bag. This is the duffel bag. So it's not the Holland Pouch. Like I said, this one has a duffel bag as well. This designer does City Street Quilts, I think it is. She has the Holland Pouch, and then she has the Holland duffel bag. That one's a little different. It has like zippers on the front of the duffel bag. So that's why I say this one's like a really great beginner one, because it just has the one large zipper. Instructions are very easy and straightforward. Whereas the Holland duffel bag, not pouch, this is the pouch, duffel bag has, I think, like a zipper on, I think it might be both sides, right here and right here. So keep that in mind. But there's so many great patterns out there, so many good bag patterns, and I just love it. It's becoming more popular. I'm learning a lot from my friend who designed these ones, those patterns. She has so many good tips and tricks from it. So I love sharing her stuff as well. But if you have any questions about these, let me know in the comment section below. I'll put all the information for the bags as well in the description. And if you want to see any tutorials on the other bags as well, I know I have tutorials on these two, but the other 4, I guess, yep, I have 4. Let me know as well. I hope you guys found this helpful. Make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.